Imagine waking up somewhere you've never been before, maybe by a serene mountain lake, the mist still rising off the water, and as you step outside, you're greeted by one of the most iconic luxury motorhomes on the road, the 2026 Tiffin Phaeton. Welcome back to Next Gen Motorhomes. Before we go any further, if luxury travel, comfort on wheels, and unforgettable journeys excite you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because today's tour is going to take everything you think you know about RVs and raise it to the next level. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phaeton, you know this isn't just a rig, it's a lifestyle choice. Available in multiple floor plans, from the maneuverable 35CH to the spacious 44OH with a walk-in closet, there's a version of the Phaeton for nearly every travel style, whether it's weekend getaways, family vacations, or full-time living. Each floor plan stretches from just under 38 feet to a commanding 45 feet in length, giving you everything from agile handling to expansive living space, depending on what you choose. As you walk up to it, the exterior design immediately makes you think of prestige. Full-body paint with multiple layers of protective clear coat, custom rock guards on the front cap, and a Girard-powered patio awning with integrated LED lighting all combine to present an RV that feels polished and purposeful. Pass-through basement storage with lockable handles gives you space for everything you need, from outdoor gear to extra supplies, without cluttering the interior. Even simple details like motion sensor cargo bay lights show that every inch of this coach was designed with intention. Stepping into the cockpit, you immediately notice that driving this Class A diesel pusher feels more like commanding a luxury tour coach than piloting a typical RV. At its heart is a Cummins L9 diesel engine producing up to 450 horsepower and 1,250 lb-ft of torque, paired with an Allison automatic transmission designed for smoothness and confidence. The Powerglide XC raised rail rear engine diesel chassis ensures reinforced stability, a comfortable ride, and superb handling even on long stretches of highway. Adaptive cruise control, electronic stability systems, and a comprehensive suite of safety features keep you confident behind the wheel no matter where you're headed. The driver's seat itself is a revelation, plush, supportive, and ergonomic. It's designed for comfort on multi-hour drives. The dash layout is intuitive, with everything you need at your fingertips, including advanced navigation, rear-view cameras, and vehicle system monitors. It's the sort of setup that turns long road days into something enjoyable, even relaxing. And with panoramic views out the front and side windows, you never feel cut off from the world outside. You're part of the journey. Moving back into the living area is where the Phaeton truly feels like home. The transition from driving to living is seamless. Premium hardwood cabinetry, handcrafted finishes, and thoughtful interior decor options, from black truffle to white linen and sandstone, make the cabin feel warm, elegant, and custom crafted. Slide-outs expand at the push of a button, instantly opening up the space and bathing the interior in natural light. Massive panoramic windows make even a quiet afternoon inside feel like an immersive experience with the scenery around you. The living room itself is designed with comfort in mind. Plush seating options, from theater recliners to spacious sofas depending on the floor plan, invite you to lounge with ease. Imagine sinking into a seat with a good book as the sun sets outside, or gathering family and friends for a movie night with the LED smart TV and entertainment system. The interior flow feels natural and generous. No awkward corners, no wasted space, just thoughtful layout and premium comfort wherever you look. Adjacent to the living area, the kitchen is ready to support anything from simple breakfasts to full sit-down dinners. Solid surface countertops provide generous workspace, and the residential-style appliances, including a large refrigerator with French doors and bottom freezer, make cooking easy and familiar. A convection microwave and multi-burner cooktop mean you're never limited in what you can prepare, and clever storage throughout keeps cookware, dishes, and pantry items organized and close at hand. Whether it's a quick coffee before hitting the road or a gourmet dinner after a day of exploration, this kitchen delivers. The dining area, often overlooked in many motorhomes, feels like a place you want to sit and enjoy a meal. Plush seating and ample table space give you room for family dinners, rainy day board games, or even a mobile office setup on the road. It's one of those spaces where living and traveling blend. You don't feel like you're compromising because you're on the road. You feel like you're experiencing life in a new, elevated way. Perhaps one of the most delightful aspects of the Phaeton is the bedroom, truly a sanctuary on wheels. The king-size bed welcomes you with premium linens and plenty of room to stretch out after a long day of adventure. Wardrobe storage is generous, ensuring your clothes and personal items have a dedicated place. Some floor plans even offer washer/dryer hookups, making longer trips or full-time living far more convenient. The lighting and design details here give it a sense of warmth and retreat, so your time inside feels restorative rather than cramped or utilitarian. The bathroom matches the luxury you'll find everywhere else. With roomy showers, high-end fixtures, and intelligently designed storage, it feels more spa-like than utilitarian. Premium finishes and thoughtful touches make daily routines enjoyable, whether you're washing up before dinner or winding down after a long day of travel. Behind the scenes, the Phaeton is designed for real life on the road. Not just short trips, but meaningful journeys that last weeks, months, or even longer. Dual air conditioning units with heat pumps, an aqua-hot hydronic heating system, and a whisper-quiet 10 kilowatts Onan diesel generator ensure you stay comfortable regardless of the weather outside. Large freshwater and gray/black tank capacities let you go longer between hookups, and smart home systems allow monitoring and control right from your smartphone. Now let's talk about value. The 2026 Phaeton is a premium diesel pusher with a premium price to match. For example, a well-equipped 40IH floor plan, a popular choice for families and couples alike, can show prices around $490,000 to over $620,000 MSRP, depending on options and dealer pricing. But here's the important part. This isn't just spending on a vehicle. It's investing in freedom, comfort, and lifestyle. When you step inside, settle in for a drive, and wake up in a new place without sacrificing any of the comforts of home, that's when you realize the Phaeton justifies its price with every mile you travel. Imagine planning a summer tour through national parks, stopping at scenic overlooks without a second thought, hosting friends inside a space that feels more like a living room than an RV, and ending each night with comfort you might not even find in many stationary homes. That's the feeling this coach delivers, and that's the value beyond the numbers. In the end, the 2026 Tiffin Phaeton isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement about how you choose to live your life, with freedom, comfort, elegance, and confidence. Whether you're headed toward retirement journeys, family road adventures, or just weekend escapes that feel like mini vacations, this coach gives you the tools to make memories that last. Before you go, do us a favor. If you enjoyed this tour, like this video, subscribe to Next Gen Motorhomes for more luxury RV walkthroughs, and drop a comment below telling us where you would take your Phaeton on its first adventure. The open road is waiting, and your journey starts the moment you choose your destination.